boy. You want some more? What are you eating so fast? Are you chewing them and swallowing them before you put the next one in? Huh? Don't squeeze them. Don't squeeze them, Nathan. Put it in your mouth, please. Don't even think about squeezing them. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Do you want some more? Yummy. Do you like blueberries? Yummy. Yeah. Good job. You're so good at picking up now, aren't you? Good job. Yum. Yum. Good job, Nathan. Good job.